$10,000 worth of credit card with no impact to your credit score. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. I'm really happy that by watching our videos, a number of you are getting credit cards, personal loans and credit lines with no credit check as well as with bad credit. Thank you so much for your comment, and in today's video I have another massive opportunity for you, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to watch great videos like this one every single day on Credit Oaks channel. And in today's video I'm going to tell you about this massive opportunity from Petal credit card. Remember, this is a credit card that I personally have. I love this card as you have the opportunity to double your limit, as well as you can actually pre-qualify or pre-approve for this card with no impact to your credit score. This is indeed one of those credit cards that I applied for at the beginning when I was working on my credit score, and it really worked. And right here I would like to tell you about this opportunity, so let's get into it, as this is known as Petal credit card. Let me just zoom in just a little bit so you can see it properly. This is a Petal credit card, and according to them, making credit history is their aim. Welcome to credit, no experience necessary. Well, I got approved for Petal One credit card when I applied, and then they upgraded me to Petal Rise, and this is great. Well, let me just tell you a couple of the differences of these credit cards as you really need to know. So they have Petal 1, Petal 2 as well as Petal One Rise. So how it works, this is very important. Well, the first one is Petal 2 credit card. I don't know how they made this system, but you know, this is a little confusing for a number of people, but this is indeed one of those credit cards that I highly recommend. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so you need to do your own research before applying any of the credit products that you see anywhere, so make sure you remember this. So as you can see that they have different tiers of credit card: Petal One Rise, Petal 1 and Petal 2. Well, according to them, cards for every type of credit builder. Remember, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step guide how you can apply for this credit card, so make sure you stay with us till the end of this video. And if you are someone who's looking for credit right now, then this is a massive opportunity for you, and make sure you don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So let's start with Petal One Rise credit card. Well, this card is basically to build credit simply, and they have an annual membership fee of $59. I've seen most of the people getting approved for this credit card with no impact to their credit score, so I'm gonna tell you how you can do that. Well, according to them, the cashback actually ranges from 1% to 10% on select merchants, so you need to remember that. Well, when it comes to these credit cards, well, the APR is a bit higher, but this is the case with every credit card. Even if you go to the tier 1 credit card, that is American Express or Chase Reserve, well, they have pretty high APR, so we never advise you to carry balance on these cards. So if anyone tells you that you need to keep your balance under 30%, well, you need to understand that this is not how the credit works. As soon as you keep any balance on your credit card before the billing cycle, then it's going to be a problem for you. When it comes to the variable APR, well, their APR ranges from 28.99% all the way to 33.99%, and they do have a path to a credit limit increase. I'm gonna tell you about it, at how you can increase your credit limit just in a bit, but let's move towards the Petal One. Well, this card is to build credit without annual membership, so it means that it has all the perks of Petal One Rise, but it has no membership at all. So if you get the Petal One Rise, you can upgrade to Petal One after a certain time period, and then you can actually move towards Petal 2. So let's go towards Petal 2 right here, and they said that all rewards that you get in Petal 1 and Pedal One Rise, but it has no annual membership fee, and the APR is a bit lower, but we cannot say that it's really low. It's just 3% low than the other Pedal One and Pedal One Rise cards. Well, you can boost the odds of cards approval. How? Because they have something that is known as linking your bank account, which is, I believe, is a great thing if you have bad or worst credit. Well, so they say that boost the odds of card approval. You can link a bank account. Eligible applicants can leverage their bank data quickly and securely during the Pedal application. That's what I did. If I remember, I got approved for $4,000 when I applied for this card, and after 6 months or 8 months, I cannot recall it properly, but I got approved for, or my limit was increased to $10,000. Well, then you can actually show off financial history as well. Sharing a real-time snapshot of savings and spending can show you're ready for credit regardless of your credit pass. And this is something that you need to understand, that even if you have bad or worse credit, then right here they take this credit score very lightly as compared to your financial history. Then you can give yourself the best shot. Bank data increases the likelihood of receiving an offer if you would otherwise be declined on credit score alone, so you need to understand. Well, they have some great features like take control with credit friendly features such as understand the path to a limit increase. With the LEAP program, earn a credit line increase in 6 months. Yes, it was 6 months, I believe, by making qualifying on time payments. And there are some terms that you need to apply, and actually they have a pretty neat app. You can actually see that when you are eligible for a credit limit increase, and you can actually increase your credit score with them, as well as they report to all 3 major credit bureaus. Well, that's what the case with me as well. As I mentioned earlier, that I personally carry this credit card, though I don't use it a lot, but I do have Pedal credit card. Then find cashback near you. Earn a 1% to 10% cashback on select national merchants. You can track your score as well, as they have free credit score on the app as well. And when it comes to the payment, of course, you can pay it using the app that they have, and they also have cashback which you can redeem as cashback wallet, means as a cashback in your personal account, or you can actually redeem it towards your credit as well, means if you carry a balance you can pay it off with that. They're saying that designed to build credit, pay from your phone. You can certainly do that, and it does have tap on it function, means you can just tap and pay, which is not something that we need to be excited about, but yeah, this is something that they also have. Well, they have some great testimonial, and you can actually get pre-approved for Pedal card with no credit check required. This is amazing. So see card offers. Let's click on it and see. When you click on it, this page will open. So I'm gonna link it in the video's description, so it would be much easier for you. Well, you can actually select which card that you want to apply for. They're gonna ask you for an email address. Of course, you need to confirm your email address, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your address, your city, your state, and your zip code, and then your social security number, and your annual income, your monthly housing cost, and how you heard about them. You can actually then after click on both of these options right here, but one thing is really important: see which Pedal card is right for you with no impact to your credit score, means you can get pre-approved for this card without impacting your credit score. When you apply for it and you get approved, please let me know in the comments below that what's your opinion about this card. As soon as you get approved, let me know in the comments that you are approved, so it will literally make our day. So please remember that. And at the same time, remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of personal loan, or you can call it credit line, with no impact to your credit score. If you would like to watch that video, then make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.